Hey, what's up? Soapy Fresh here in the crypto sewer. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a Conceal wallet. First of all, we want to go to the GitHub for the Conceal.Network. You'll see here it's github.com/Conceal.Network. And then click on the Conceal desktop to get the GUI wallet. Go over to Releases. Make sure you're downloading the latest version, and then we're on Windows, so we're going to scroll down and get the zip file for Windows. Once you have that downloaded, you're going to unzip it to wherever you would like to. And then run the installer. Just a general installer here, of course. Pick where you want to install it to, and then click Install. Now, the first time you open up the wallet, you're going to have to allow access through your firewall. And once it loads up here, you'll click through a few screens with some information about Conceal. And then you'll get to the Getting Started screen where you can import your mnemonic seed if you have one already. But if you don't, you're going to click Create New Wallet, and then choose where you want to save the wallet file to and the name of the wallet. And then that's really it. You now have your wallet address already ready to go right here. It's going to show you that you have 0 funds in it, obviously, since you just created it. You can click on the address to copy it to the clipboard. You'll see down in the lower left that it says synchronizing. This is synchronizing the blockchain. It's currently downloading the blockchain right now. Now, in order to get your mnemonic seed, you're going to click on Wallet and then Backup Wallet. It's going to give you some tips right here. Of course, you're going to want to write down your seed. Don't save it on the cloud somewhere in a notepad file. You want to write it down physically and save it somewhere safe. Click on Show Seed to show you your seed, and there you go. That's basically all there is to it. In a later video, I'll show you some more features of the wallet, but for right now, this is all you need to get started. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you.